Today I want to show you step by step exactly how I turned $250 into almost $20,000 in just one single month using something called binary options. Now, if you haven't heard about binary options, it's a new type of online trading that is completely different and much easier than Forex trading, stock trading, even crypto trading. That's because there's only two options in binary options, call or put. All you have to do is decide if a currency will go up or down in a certain period of time. And every correct prediction will bring you a profit. So suppose you do a $100 trade at a return of 70% profit. In just 60 seconds, you could make back $70 in just one single minute. But how do you know if it will go up or down? And how do you make sure that you don't lose money and you always stay consistently profitable? That's why I've created my own working strategy that I want to show you guys right now with some live trades. So here are those live trades that I mentioned. We're going to be using the turbo option, which simply allows you to do shorter trades. I like to do the 1 minute trade as this allows me to make the most amount of profits in just 60 seconds. I always start out with a $10 trade and select fixed time so that it's going to be exactly 60 seconds in length. And then I zoom out to see when the expiration time will be. As you can see here, for a $10 trade, I will make $7 of profit for every correct trade. And over here on the left is a tool that allows you to know whether or not a currency will go up or down in the next 60 seconds. And it's called the Trader Insight tool. As you can see, I just placed a put trade because the Trader Insight tool had been about 70–80% on put, indicating that it's likely going to go down in the next 60 seconds. So as you can see here, we have a red dotted line and a red solid line. As long as the moving blue line stays below the red solid line, I will be winning the trade. And if by the time of the expiry at the red dotted line, I'm still below the red line, that will mean I just made $7 of profit in just one single minute. So you can see here, we are bouncing around up and down, but now it looks like this trade might be a win. Let's give it a couple more seconds and then I'll go ahead and do another trade. And there you go. I got my $10 back plus an additional $7 of profit in just 60 seconds. So now I'm going to speed up the video and show you guys more of how this strategy works and what you do in case you happen to lose a trade. Because though the Trader Insight tool works more often than not, it is not always correct, and that's why you need a way to quickly recover any losses in order to stay profitable and to continue to grow your account. So now the trades are sped up 4 times the normal speed. And as you can see, I placed a put trade, and if by the end of the expiry, the red dotted line, the moving blue line stays below the solid red line, I will make $7. And there you go. Another successful trade using the Trader Insight tool. So now sometimes though, these trades don't come out successfully, and that's what I want to show you right now. Because with this trade, I thought it was going to go down. So what I did was I set the amount to $20, and the moment that this trade expires incorrectly, I'm going to place another put trade, and if this one comes out correct, this one will recover my previous $10 loss and keep me profitable. As you can see, time is going by, and if by the end of this expiry it's correct, it will recover my previous loss and keep me profitable. And as you just saw, I made back $14 of profit, which recovered my $10 loss and still netted me $4 on top. The Trade Insight tool said it would likely go down, so now we're doing another $10 trade. This one will give me $7 of profit. And there we go. Another $7 of profit. Now we're going to place a call trade because the Trader Insight tool said it would likely go up, and this one looks like it's going to be a loss. So what do we do when there's a loss? We double the amount to recover it. So I'm setting it to $20 and we're immediately placing a call, and hopefully this one will be a win by the time we hit the green dotted line. Looks like it's going up. This one could be a win. Nope. It's going down. It might be a loss. So we're prepping a $40 trade. Yes, that one was a loss. And now we are immediately placing a call. If this one comes out correctly, this will recover the previous 2 losses. So we're waiting, Is it going to be a win? And yes, it was a win with that $40 trade, which recovered the previous 2 losses and still gave me a profit on top. So I'm going to let these trades continue to go, but what I want to tell you guys is that this strategy is foolproof, simple to execute, and highly profitable. And this strategy has worked nonstop for me, allowing me to grow my starting deposit from $250 to where I am today at nearly $20,000. And I did this in just 1 month. If you're ready to get started, click the link below and go to my website, binaryoptionsmastery.com, and I will personally show you step by step exactly how to open a binary options account, how to deposit funds that you will use to grow your account, how to apply my working strategy. I show every step, no step is left out, and the final step, how to withdraw the earnings to your bank account, your Bitcoin wallet, etc., etc. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you do leave a comment, I'll make sure to reply within 24 to 48 hours. All the best.